If you want to learn Python on Coursera, this beginner guide will help you choose the right path. With so many Python courses available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The good news is that Coursera offers beginner-friendly programs from top universities and leading tech companies. Before we get started, if you're planning to take multiple courses, check the discount link in the description. If you're completely new to programming, my first recommendation is Python for Everybody from the University of Michigan. It's one of the most popular Python specializations on Coursera. It teaches Python from the ground up and covers programming fundamentals, data structures, databases, web scraping, and APIs. It's an excellent choice if you want a strong foundation. If your goal is data science or artificial intelligence, take a look at Python for Data Science, AI, and Development from IBM. You'll learn Python while working with real data and industry tools like NumPy. It's a great starting point for future AI and data science courses. If you're interested in IT or automation, Google's Crash Course on Python is another excellent option. It's practical, beginner-friendly, and designed to help you build programming skills quickly. One of the biggest advantages of learning Python on Coursera is flexibility. You can study at your own pace and earn certificates from respected universities and companies. Those certificates can also be added to your resume and LinkedIn profile. The only challenge is cost if you buy courses one by one. Individual learning programs usually cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you plan to keep learning Python or move into AI, machine learning, SQL, or data analytics, the total cost can increase quickly. That's why I recommend Coursera Plus. Instead of paying separately, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can also earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active. If you're serious about learning Python and building valuable career skills, Coursera Plus is the smarter long-term investment. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.